Hello, grade sevens. I bet you weren't expecting to hear my voice. Well, today what I would like you to do is just watch this quick video and then I would like you to draw your own title page for homework. So our new unit is going to be called the Industrial Age. So we are moving on. We're going past the Civil War and we're heading into a time with lots of changes. So what I would like you to do for homework, do on Thursday is create a new title page, put this in your notebook, and if you don't have a notebook, just do this on a blank piece of paper that can be hole punched and put into your binder. I will give you some details about what our unit will encompass, but here are some things you should make sure your title page has. First of all, it should have the title, and the title is the Industrial Age. So make sure that appears large on your cover page. I do want to see lots of color, and I do want to see pictures. So pictures that you have drawn or pictures you have printed out, that's fine too. Okay, and make sure your entire page is covered. Okay, so are you wondering what we're going to talk about this term? Well, I'll show you 4 things we will discuss. First of all, we're going to talk about the gold rush. So there were a few of these that happened across the United States, and we are going to talk about some of them. So we will make sure you include this on your title page, the gold rush. Factories and mining. So we're going to discuss the development of these 2 important industries that changed the shape of America. So the development of factories and mining. So you can see some pictures there from the time. Okay, the third thing we're going to talk about in this unit is the growth of cities. So before the industrial age, people would just live in the countryside, but now we have people moving into the same areas, which cause these small towns to grow into big cities. And that is because of people who are working in factories. They want to move closer to the factories they work in. And we're going to talk about people moving to America. So immigration. You can see here this image is depicting people on a boat, and guess where they're traveling to? New York. So we are going to talk about how cities are growing and popping up all across America, and what implications that may have. And lastly, we are going to talk about women's suffrage, so the right to vote. So suffrage doesn't mean suffering, it is the right to cast a vote. And we're going to talk about how women earned the right to vote in America. So these 4 big things we are going to talk about this term. And you can include these on your own title page. So feel free to Google other pictures, get ideas, write down keywords you think might be important. Include those on your title page, which is due Thursday. All right, thanks guys.